this year we're having 1,675 cards, which is 120 more than last year, all for sale for €50 each. You can look at them online at the moment, and you can choose the ones you like. We have some very famous artists, we have some not so famous artists, and we have some people you've never heard of. I mean, you can't often buy an original picture for €50. It's a nice size, and there is the chance of getting a very famous artist, which you can do what you want with. But you know, it's possible that they might get a Tracy Emin, possible they might get a Richard Gorman, possible they'll get, you know, they could get anything. We used to laugh about having a queue around the block like they do in London, but we had no idea we were going to have a queue that started at 6:30 in the morning. Somebody came all the way down from Donegal just by train to come and buy their favourite postcard. We had them going around the block behind the Westbury Hotel. I think we had about 400 people in the queue at one point, which was incredible, and so I hope we're going to have it this year. They had such fun, I couldn't believe it. They were standing outside, some of them were standing outside for 3 or 4 hours. They made friends, they had a sing-song, they had coffee served to them by the Westbury Hotel, and they said it was a really fun day out, which I find hard to believe, but they really, really enjoyed themselves. Get here early. That is the thing. I mean, we've only got 1,600 to sell, so that's the first problem. We know we will run out. If you look at the website and you see pictures that you want, come as early as you possibly can. We open at 10, and we'd like to see you standing outside there, waving your €50 note, and you know, good luck to you.